Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about the water cycle. Now whenever I start the water cycle I like to start in the atmosphere. This is because the atmosphere is consistent in all three cycles and we're going to have water vapour in our atmosphere. So this is a gas form of water that's going to be up in the atmosphere, it's going to condense into clouds. So that's going to then leave our atmosphere through the process of precipitation. So this is going to be any sort of liquid form of water leaving the atmosphere. So it could be rain, sleet, snow, etc., etc. Now when it's precipitated out, that's going to hit our ground. And it's going to do one of two things depending on if the ground is permeable or not. If the ground is impermeable, so the water can't pass through it, we are going to get surface runoff. So this just means, as it says, the water is going to run off the surface of the ground. Now if the water can pass through into the ground, we're going to have it travelling through the ground as very difficultly named through flow. So it's flowing through the ground. Eventually it's going to hit some sort of water source, so lake, river, stream, whatever, ocean, and it's going to have a sink of water there. We could also have storage in the ground in the forms of aquifers. So they're just porous rocks where the water might store in the ground. And then from either the surface or the ocean, we could have evaporation, putting that back into the atmosphere as a gas. And then obviously we're going to have, for it to form clouds, we're going to have some condensation as well. And that's going to form clouds, which is going to restart that cycle. Now there is a middle section to this, and obviously that is anything that is a plant, which is going to take water up through its root system. So any plants, they're going to take it through our root system. So we're going to have a bit of osmosis occurring, and then obviously transpiration up the plant, and then also evaporation out of the plant into the atmosphere. So we also have that middle route going through as well. Now just a little bit of extra information. If we add the process of transpiration and evaporation together, then we're going to get evapotranspiration through the entire plant out into the atmosphere. And that is everything you need to know about the water cycle.